focus to another big story. This is obviously the top story of the day, talking about the NEET case. So two accused have been produced before the court. Remember, earlier we broke this information for you that another professor has been arrested. So you have now not one but two professors who were reportedly very closely linked, very closely linked to the formation of the paper, who have been linked. The entire scam blueprint, the modus operandi, each and every detail, obviously we have been bringing you first on Times Now. Now you have the latest update which is coming in, that both the accused have been produced in the court. Bhavtosh joining us live on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, take us through what is happening, the latest from the ground, both the accused produced in court, and also give us all the details on the latest arrest, the second professor who has been arrested now by the CBI.
Actually, the court has reserved its order. CBI demanded 14 days custody, saying that PV Kulkarni is the kingpin as far as this entire case is concerned, and also said that the woman who has been produced along with PV Kulkarni, Manisha Wagmare, is an accomplice as far as this case is concerned. She in fact provided not only assistance to the other accused in this case, but also was active participant as far as the exam paper leak is concerned. They said that this entire scam or the planning happened a month in advance, and they further said that there is money trail that they are probing, and importantly, they are looking at the possibility of not only the accused being involved, include the NTA panel, but also possibility of NTA officials being involved in this entire racket. Defense on its part had said that NTA only asked individuals to make the question paper, and they do not they at the final stage decide which question paper will be going. So it's wrong to blame only PV Kulkarni. The other person who has been arrested in this case is the Manisha Mandhare, who is also a senior biology teacher. She was the one who leaked the biology papers. So there are more arrests that are taking place, and the ninth arrest that has taken place, CBI will be producing her tomorrow.
And as you are rightly saying, there are more details emerging. CBI also arguing that Kulkarni had circulated the papers through Wagmare, all the details which are coming in. Bhavtosh, do stay with us, because viewers, we'll tell you now more about this second arrest. Who's a second professor who has been arrested? Because we told you about obviously the first arrest, NTA insiders who are now in the spotlight. Both of them have been produced before the court. Bhavtosh was giving us the details, but there has been another breakthrough in the NEET UG paper leak case. So CBI has identified a biology lecturer who's being questioned, and she was a part of the NTA panel that had prepared the NEET UG exam paper. The probe agency is basically suspecting that she was also a part of the racket that leaked the NEET UG exam paper. She's the second member of the NTA panel to come under the scanner. Yesterday it was CBI which had arrested the chemistry professor PV Kulkarni, and now you have a biology lecturer Manisha Mandhare who's been arrested. We'll tell you more. Once again, very quickly, let me go across to my colleague Bhavtosh, who was giving us more details. Bhavtosh, take us through one, CBI arguments and more details on who is Manisha Mandhare and what exactly is her role as is being alleged by the CBI.
Actually, very similar to the role of PV Kulkarni. She also was one of the member of the panel. She in fact was aware of the contents of the biology paper, and she also asked Meenakshi Wagmare to in fact come and get students to her residence. There she also said that she is providing coaching, and on the pretext of coaching she leaked the entire question paper. All this happened just a month before the paper was to be taken by the students, and they also mixed this question with other questions to show that this is a guest question paper. Now the problem here was that when the Rajasthan Police SOG was probing this case, they believed that the question paper that they had in their hand was a guest question paper, whereas it actually was a mix of both guest questions as well as the leaked question. CBI claimed that the question paper was leaked much in advance, at least a month in advance, by these two accused. But there is also now a likelihood and a possibility that NTA officials are involved, because even the defense has said that the NTA officials are the one who select the question paper which would be going in the exam and not the teachers.
All right, Bhavtosh, thank you for joining us with all these updates. Viewers, we're telling you about obviously the latest arrest which has been made. In fact, CBI has arrested, as we were telling you viewers, this Pune-based chemistry professor PV Kulkarni earlier. What has he been accused of? He's accused of being the kingpin behind the NEET UG paper leak. Agency has now produced him before a Delhi court, as we were telling you, both the accused before the court. We'll be bringing you more updates from the court. But what was Kulkarni's role? His role basically, he reportedly had access to that entire question paper because he was involved in the formation of that process. In fact, my colleague Rucha had an exclusive conversation with a whistleblower who has revealed some very serious and sensational details. Let's listen in.
After the cancellation of NEET examination, after the paper got leaked, we are seeing several arrests being made. Across country, there are several people who have now been exposed, who were part of this leak gang. And today, on the same topic, we have an exclusive interview with one of the whistleblowers from Maharashtra. We have Deepak Patil joining with us. Welcome on Times Now, Deepak. सबसे पहले हमें ये बताइए किस तरह से आपको पता चला कि पेपर लीक हुआ है। आपने कहा कि आप एग्जाम सेंटर गए थे और तभी आपको इस बारे में जानकारी मिली, तो वो टाइम कब था जब आपको इस बारे में पता चला?
नमस्कार मैम, मैं 3 मई को एग्जाम देने के लिए गया था। हम रैंक कैटल्स के नाम से 100% फ्री मेंटरशिप प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑल ओवर महाराष्ट्र स्टूडेंट्स को। इसके वास्ते पेपर का पैटर्न कैसा है और क्या डिफिकल्टी लेवल है, कहाँ से सवाल आ रहे हैं और जो फिजिक्स है, बायोलॉजी है, ये एनसीईआरटी से क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, ये सब पेपर पैटर्न समझने के लिए और जो स्टूडेंट्स है, नीट एस्पिरेंट्स है, उनके साथ संवाद करने के लिए मैं नीट का फॉर्म भरा था और मैं एग्जाम सेंटर गया था। उसके बाद एग्जाम के पहले और एग्जाम के बाद मैंने विद्यार्थियों से संवाद किया। बट जस्ट आफ्टर एग्जाम जो मेरा सेंटर था लातूर में, राजस्थानी मारवाड़ी बोल के स्कूल है, उस स्कूल के अंदर जो मेरे सेंटर हॉल के अंदर जो लड़का था, एग्जाम के बाद मैंने उससे संवाद किया और पूछा कि आपका पेपर कैसा गया, डिफिकल्टी लेवल कंपेयर टू नीट 2025 कैसी थी। ऐसे मैंने बातचीत करना शुरू कर दिया। फिर उन्होंने मुझे बता दिया और वो मुझे बताता है कि मेरे पास ये पेपर सुबह ही था। बट ये सुन के मुझे शौक लगा, बट मुझे उसके ऊपर ट्रस्ट नहीं हुआ। बट धीरे धीरे हम दोनों बातचीत करते आगे आगे बढ़ते हैं और हम सेंटर के अंदर ही थे। तो वो मुझे बोलता है कि सर मेरे पास पेपर सुबह ही था, और वो बोलने के बाद मतलब एंड वो मुझे आगे जाके दिखाता है। वो पैंट के अंदर से 2 A4 शीट निकालता है और उसके ऊपर पूरे आंसर्स लिखे हुए थे। मतलब जो क्वेश्चंस थे, जो उसके आंसर्स थे, वो डायरेक्टली फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी के आंसर्स वो पेपर के ऊपर लिखे हुए थे।
Now let's talk, viewers, about this entire chain, how the kingpin operated really, what basically happened. The seminars were used for outreach. This is how he reached out to the students, and let's put out that graphic also on air for our viewers. Students identified, they were contacted. The engineering student, basically they acted as agents and connected with aspirants. The mock tests were performed, analyzed students identified after the test, and the rich students, they were considered to be high value. The payments were demanded, and once the payments received, that is when the paper was given. How much? For per paper, 25,000, going up to 25 lakhs. Anger is mounting over the paper leak. Protests have also broken out. Let's take a look at this ground report filed by my colleague.
Protesters from the Indian Youth Congress today staged a protest against Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister, over the continuing controversy of the NEET. Remember, yesterday, re-NEET dates have been announced on your screen. Also, you can see how these workers have been put into the detention bus of Delhi police. They're currently shoving them inside these buses. And in fact, the protest is being wrapped up by the Delhi police. On your screens also, there is in fact money, fake money that has been thrown all over. In fact, this is a new form of protest that we are witnessing. They say that the NTA, the National Testing Agency, is completely bought and thrown, corrupt body by the Education Ministry, is not in fact under any sort of compliances as well. On your screens right now, all these protesters in fact being detained, carried away. They're throwing money over there, they're throwing that fake currency also over here. A parallel protest taking place in fact at the NTA head office in Okhla. That is where the NSUI, the student wing of the Congress party, is also currently in fact protesting. All around us, in fact, you can see the heavy police deployment that has been stationed here for the protest. Another woman being in fact taken by the police officials there. On the other hand, the Education Minister as well as the NTA has assured of a better performance as well as a more leak-proof attempt on the re-NEET that is scheduled to take place next month.
नीट परीक्षा रद्द होने के बाद प्रदर्शनों का दौर लगातार जारी है। देश के अलग अलग हिस्सों में लगातार प्रदर्शन देखने को मिल रहे हैं। इस मुद्दे पर सरकार को घेरने के लिए चाहे राजनीतिक संगठन हो या छात्र संगठन, वो लगातार प्रदर्शन करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। इस वक्त एनएसवाई बड़ी संख्या में जो है वो एनटीए दफ्तर के बाहर पहुंची है और यहाँ पर आप देखिए किस तरीके से जो एनएसवाई के जो छात्र हैं वो बैरिकेड पे चढ़ गए। उनका कहना था कि आज वो यहाँ पर नीट स्टूडेंट्स को लेकर आएंगे और एक बड़ा प्रदर्शन करेंगे। हालांकि एनएसवाई के छात्र ज्यादा इस प्रदर्शन के अंदर नजर आ रहे हैं और बड़ी संख्या में जो प्रदर्शनकारी हैं वो यहाँ पहुंचे हैं। पुलिस ने एक अपना पूरा एक अरेंजमेंट जो है वो यहाँ पे लगा रखा है। मल्टीपल जो बैरिकेडिंग्स है वो यहाँ पे लगा रखे हैं। उनका कहना है कि एनएसआईसी जो परिसर है जिसमें एनटीए का दफ्तर है वहाँ पे किसी को एंटर नहीं करने दिया जाएगा, क्योंकि पिछले दिनों जो प्रदर्शन हुए, चाहे एबीवीपी का प्रदर्शन था, एनएसआई का प्रदर्शन था, प्रदर्शनकारी अंदर तक पहुंच गए थे। लेकिन इस वक्त जो प्रदर्शनकारी उनको गेट पे ही रोका गया। बड़ी संख्या